If we want the file name and location path returned, we can use a cell function. The cell function returns information about the formatting, location, or contents of a cell. This cell function is used to get the full file name and path. The file name function returns the file name of an Excel workbook, including the sheet name. We need to specify one parameter in order to do this, and that is the info type. This is a text value that specifies what type of cell information you want returned. From a list of options, we're going to select file name in order to return the file location, followed by the file name, followed by the sheet name. So let's open up our cell function. In info type, we must select file name, and then we simply close our formula. And we can see here that initially this is on the C drive, in the users folder, in the Mica folder, in the music folder, and then it's in the file name folder. The value here is our cell file name. That is the name of the Excel workbook, and sheet 1 represents the tab name.